I can't.
Sir, don't blow smoke up my ass. Listen to me. If you're at a .08 at 11 o'clock in the morning, you had more than a few drinks last night. Go to jail. Goodbye. We're done.
Who are you?
Living man.
Well, if you're talking to me, I suppose you're living. I hope you're living. I'm sure. There's nothing funny. Who are you?
My name's Roman, sir.
Roman?
Yes.
Hello. Are you an attorney?
Yes.
Unless you're an attorney, you don't need to represent Mr. Daniel McDonald. You can have a seat. You said Roman?
Yes.
And you're not an attorney?
Yes.
What's your relationship to Mr. McDonald?
Depending.
But you're not a member of the Florida Bar?
Yes.
Are you a member of any state bar?
Yes.
Did you go to law school?
Yes.
So how are you representing Mr. McDonald?
I would just like to ask some questions in regard to that matter, sir.
You can answer my questions regarding that matter. What's your last name?
McDonald.
So your name is Roman McDonald?
Yes.
And are you related to Daniel McDonald?
I just go by Roman, sir.
You just told me that. Are you related to Daniel McDonald?
Yes, that the name on your docket is in relation to me. Yes.
Well, you stood up, so I'm assuming it's in relation to you, but you're not, are you Daniel McDonald?
Yes, sir.
Come on up, Mr. McDonald. That's nothing funny. We don't have time for these games. Come on up.
I just go by Roman, sir.
Well, all you had to do is say I'm Mr. McDonald. You didn't have to say I'm representing him. I'm related to him. All you had to do is say I'm Mr. McDonald and come forward.
I apologize for the confusion.
Okay. That's the state filing information in this case?
No one calls me Daniel.
One moment. Is the state filing information in this case?
Not this time, right?
All right, Mr. McDonald, we will see you next month for an arraignment, November 12th at 9:30.
Sir, I haven't entered any type of plea.
I know the state hasn't filed an information. It's not time for you to enter a plea. If the state decides to file an information, you can enter a plea at that time.
Can I motion for dismissal right now based on procedural grounds?
There's nothing to dismiss. The state hasn't filed an information. What are you dismissing?
That I put in an affidavit and a demurrer, a motion to dismiss, and it hasn't been responded to. I think the state attorney has 15 days to respond to that motion, and they have not.
A motion to dismiss what?
The cases, the matter.
The state hasn't filed an information. There's nothing to dismiss. There's nothing to respond to. If the state decides to file an information, you can renew your motion to dismiss. But right now, the state hasn't filed an information, so we'll come back November 12th at 9:30, okay?
Sir, I got two more questions if you don't mind.
Yes, sir.
Is there a verified claim against me?
A verified claim?
Yes.
I'm assuming you're talking about an information. The state hasn't filed an information. That's under oath and is verified.
Are there any orders? Can I be released to orders of the court?
Were you arrested?
Yes.
You're not in jail?
Correct.
You were released on orders of the court already.
Is there anything additional? Orders of the court, or just waiting on the prosecutor to file additional information?
Right. Not an additional information. We're waiting on the prosecutor to decide whether or not they're going to file formal charges in the form of an information. If they do, you can enter your plea. And if you want to file a motion to dismiss, we'll set it for hearing.
Is there any reason why they hadn't filed any already?
That's none of my concern. They have a statutory period of time to file an information. And if that time comes or goes, we'll address it. But right now, they haven't filed an information. If you hire an attorney, your attorney can reach out to Mr. Patterson. If you want to represent yourself, I'll ask you a few questions next month and you can speak with Mr. Patterson about it. More likely than not, for self-represented litigants, attorneys, prosecutors only speak to them on the record. So we'll come back next month at 9:30, okay?
Sir, my only problem is I live 6 hours away.
Oh, all right. You can always hire an attorney and they can file a notice of appearance and written plea of not guilty for you. If you want to seek the services of the public defender's office, you can fill out an application. The clerk will determine whether or not you're indigent. And if you are, I'll appoint the law office of Henry Mark Sims to represent you. And Mr. Hill knows exactly what he's doing. He can contact my office and file a waiver of presence or ask that you appear by Zoom. But right now, we'll come back November 12th at 9:30.
I would, if there's any way possible, like to handle these matters today.
Handle what matter?
Any matters in regard to that name. And I know you have business to attend to, so
Yes, sir.
I'll hold you up, but
No, you're not holding me up. We are attending.
it's not easy to take 2 days off work to be here and then nothing happened.
Well, I just told you what you can do. So we'll see you November 12th at 9:30.
Thank you.
You can sign this notice.
Mr. Bowd, it's your appearance for Mr. Schomer.
Your Honor, for the records, Jeff, about very out. With Mr. Stover, should we tell the judge your name for the record, please? And it's shown.
Thank you. Hold on just a minute. Just so you know, we told Mr. Smith we'll just give him a notice.
Yeah, thank you.
We'll let you know what the date is.
I think I
Okay.
got it right up right here from Mr. Smith. Yeah.
I don't know why there's two.
Oh, no. It's just an adjournment.
Yeah. Adjourn for discovery.
It's gonna be in person, just so you know, remember? You did a sentencing, Mr. Louder, who changed to,
Yeah. DeLauder's not a pretrial day.
That's fine.
Yeah. So this will be a different date.
Absolutely.
Okay. All right.
Your Honor, today's the date it's absent for violation of probation.
I've got two files. I've got a file ending in 1182 and I've got file ending in 1648.
Your Honor, the violation of probation is he picked up new charges. I'm not addressing the new charges because he has a retained attorney
Right.
on new charges.
And a date to come back on that file.
Right.
Right.
But he has an issue today, Your Honor.
So that's not the only issue today. The new charges are an allegation that they would be a violation of probation, but my indication from the probation department is that Mr. Schomer has not done anything I've told him to do. Told him to do treatment at GrowthWorks, told him to do community service, gave him work program days. Has he ever showed you any indication of treatment?
No indication or documentation of treatment, Your Honor. He did complete his 30 hours of community service, which was a sanction for appearing at the court intoxicated
Right.
and a documentation of treatment. He did complete the order, have 10 days on the work program. Again, that's a sanction. Completed 8 or 9, I believe, and on that 8 or 9th day was when he was intoxicated while on work.
Right. So he hasn't finished the work program. He showed up here, including today, at least 3 times under the influence. What was his PBT today?
Today is 0.10.
All right. Do you have, Mr. Bowdis, do you have any concerns whether or not Mr. Schomer is so intoxicated that he can't make informed decisions today?
Your Honor.
All right. So are we entering a responsible or a guilty plea to the violation or a not guilty plea?
Well, Your Honor, I said he's pleading guilty. He picked up a new charge and he's intoxicated in court. That's obviously a violation. So we can plead him guilty. He said his explanation, he can afford that to you, Your Honor.
I'm willing to listen to anything you've got to tell me, Mr. Schomer.
Excuse.
It was last night. I had girls and friends come over. We were playing cards till like 2 o'clock in the morning. And I went to bed after that. I didn't wake up this morning to sign anything. Right? I came in here, took a shower, had my coffee, and I showed up here early.
All right.
To tend to a case that they think I was drunk, and there's no proven evidence of that.
I'm not talking about that file. That's,
Okay.
you've got to,
I was here this morning.
yeah. Yeah, but you knew you were coming here. It wasn't a surprise visit.
Yeah, I didn't come in here intoxicated.
You're legally intoxicated by law, sir, don't argue. By law, you're legally intoxicated. The state of Michigan says at a 0.08, you are presumed to be intoxicated.
Come in here. I had a night, okay, with friends, okay. We enjoyed our moment, okay. I had a few drinks, okay. I can't.
Now, sir, don't blow smoke up my ass. Listen to me. If you're at a 0.08 at 11 o'clock in the morning, you had more than a few drinks last night. And you had more than a few.
Say it, who's counting? I mean, I'm just enjoying the moment.
I bet you'll be counting now because I'm violating on both these files and you're going to do 90 days in jail on each file. I don't understand how your head works.
Listen, I can get Uber to take.
No, I'll provide transportation for the next trip. 90 days in jail on each of these two files, and then we'll close them out unsuccessfully.
I'll lose my home.
That's not my concern.
It's my job.
That's not my concern. Sir, I have given you every leeway.
I didn't do this intentionally.
You accidentally got so drunk last night that you're at a .10 at 11 a.m.
I felt
Then grow the hell up. You're not 20 years old. The kind of behavior I'm seeing from you is what I'm used to seeing in 20-year-olds. Go to jail. Goodbye. We're done.
What do you want this way? You think we're my pets? Are they here now?
no.
Okay, we got.
Thank you for that.
Never ceases to be baffled. You know?
I can't.
Sir, don't blow smoke up my ass. Listen to me. If you're at a .08 at 11 o'clock in the morning, you had more than a few drinks last night. Go to jail. Goodbye. We're done.